Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyMusk token. Now the BabyMusk token is a brand new token that's about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about a day and a half or so. Now the BABYELON token just came out recently, maybe a week or two ago, and that token did very well. So they're kind of, I guess, playing off that name. And now we have BabyMusk. And this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a full audit. And this is going to be a whitelist only pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So BabyMusk, the next crypto leader is coming. Seifu, an audited contract, a low tax of 5%, renounced contract after launch, pro marketing team, low market cap, daily trends, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko Fast Track, big central exchange listing. CertiK audit is coming. Many partnerships. Join our social media to learn more about us. So they do have a full audit. They were audited by Block Seifu, and you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. Now, I was just checking out their Twitter there, so I'm going to put their Twitter on the screen right here at BabyMusk_BSC. And they have 588 followers so far, 21 tweets. And if you scroll through their tweets, there is some whitelist competition tweets. So if you're looking to get on the whitelist, they do have some, the giveaways on here to do some, like you do some tasks or whatnot, like retweet, like this, do that. And, you might be able to get on the whitelist by doing a Twitter competition there. Or they don't have a whitelist button on PinkSale, so there's no document section on PinkSale. I didn't see one on their webpage. So probably the best place besides checking out the Twitter is to go over to their Telegram at BabyMusk_channel. They have 1,092 Telegram subscribers. I would join that and see if you can get on the whitelist on their Telegram there. But besides that, check out the Twitter. Now, they do have a white paper. You can find that on their webpage at babymusk.net. They have all their socials on their webpage as well. So it says, conquering the infinite universe with the power of BabyMusk. In the enchanting world of BabyMusk, light pink clouds gently float amidst the serene blue sky. BabyMusk, a vibrant rainbow, has emerged from the original realm of imagination and childhood joy. With light emanating from these clouds, BabyMusk embarks on a new adventure where curiosity and excitement guide each step. Under the shade of lush green grass, BabyMusk begins to explore the world, where delicate flowers bloom. This is a crazy story. And the fragrance of these blossoms fill the air. But BabyMusk is not only a guide in this journey, but also an endless source of inspiration for every child eager to discover new wonders. On the shore of the BabyMusk world, gentle waves caress the beach, creating a mystical melody. BabyMusk, with its watercolor palette of full colors, is an inspiration for children to paint their own artistic masterpieces. Here, creativity knows no bounds, and BabyMusk is the key to unlocking the door of a world full of vibrant and magical imagination. So the team, the BabyMusk project boasts a highly experienced and accomplished team in the world of crypto. Their collective expertise and track record set them apart, giving investors confidence in the project's future. The team has been actively involved in the crypto space for many years, accumulating valuable knowledge and experience. Furthermore, the BabyMusk team has cultivated numerous partnerships with other projects and entities in the crypto industry. These partnerships indicate a commitment to collaboration and further opportunities for growth. They have established a network of relationships that can enhance the project's reach and capabilities. So, their roadmap here. They're starting with... Oh, this doesn't even work here. Let me try it on their webpage here. So on their webpage, they probably have the roadmap as well. I don't know why it's not working on their white paper. I could try a different browser here. But yeah, they have tons of partners. DexView, Froggy Swap. You can see their partner announcements on their Twitter as well. Volt, Inu, Avedex, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Pink Sale. It says they have more coming soon in the future. You can find their full white paper if you want to just skip to the white paper. It is at babymusks-organization.gitbook.io. And okay, there we go. I got the roadmap working. So starting with phase 1, establishing the website and social community channels, conducting and analyzing the market, white paper development, initiating marketing campaigns to attract potential investors, smart contract, implementing and conducting a contract audit for security and reliability, pink sale, pre-sale, and then PancakeSwap launch. Initial marketing campaign, partnerships, cross-promotion, developing and launching a meme-based NFT marketplace. So that's their first utility is NFT marketplace, contests, giveaways, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX platform trending, and then their own dashboard. Phase 3, marketing, central exchange listings, play-to-earn game, launch of their own ecosystem DApp, more events, and more holders. So they have the tokenomics on here. So there is a large amount of tokens, and a large amount is going to get burnt. It says 5% taxes. So let's skip to their pink sale page here. So if we look on the pink sale page, it says here they have a total supply of 420 trillion tokens. Minimum buy for this whitelist only pre-sale is going to be 0.1 BNB. Max buy 0.5 BNB. 18 decimal places on this token. Initial market cap estimate is $35,060. And they have a soft cap of 50 BNB and a hard cap of 75 BNB. Pre-sale is going to start exactly January 17th at 14 hours UTC time. And it's only going to go for 30 minutes or until they reach 75 BNB. Now, if you end up missing the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BabyMusk token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, babymusk.net. Now, you're going to have to set your slippage around 5% because of those taxes. And liquidity will be locked for a full year, 365 days on PancakeSwap. Now, how their tokens are split up is pretty straightforward. 33.66% go to presale, 16.3% go to liquidity, and 50.03% of the tokens get burnt. And that is basically about it. So you can try to get on the whitelist through the Telegram or the Twitter to check out the presale, and if not, you'll just have to get it on PancakeSwap or maybe a centralized exchange after the presale is over. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.